Reproduction in algae. The propagation in algae takes place by vegetative, asexual, and sexual method. Vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction include all those processes of propagation in which portion of the plant body becomes separated of to give rise to new individual without any obvious change in the protoplast, or in other words it does not involve rejuvenation of the protoplast. It is the most common method of reproduction in algae and takes place by the following means: cell division or fission. It is the simplest method of propagation and is commonly found in unicellular algae, Euglena, Chlamydomonas, desmate, and diatom. In this process, the unicellular algal cell divide mitotically to form two daughter cells, each eventually grow into an independent organism. Fragmentation. Fragmentation in the filamentous form like Eulothrix, Udogonium, Spirogyra, Gygnema. The thallus often breaks into small fragments. Each fragment has the capacity to grow independently and form a new thallus. The fragmentation of filaments may be due to mechanical pressure, dissolution of transverse wall, or difference in the turgor pressure between the adjoining cells. In colonial blue-green algae, vegetative propagation takes place by fragmentation of larger colonies. Hormogonia. It is a characteristic method of reproduction in blue-green algae. Under unfavorable conditions, the trichomes breaks into motile segments of varying length called hormogonia. The fragmentation of the parent filament into hormogonia may be due to the formation of intercalary heterocysts, specialized separation discs, or necridia, or due to death or decay of intercalary cell of the trichome. Hormogonia are commonly found in nostoc, oscillatoria, and cylindrospermum. Fourth point, formation of adventitious bud. Adventitious buds are or adventitious branches are formed in some thalloid form of algae. These branches, which get detached from the parent thallus, develop into new plant. Example in Dictyota and Fucus. Adventitious branches like Protonema formed on the internode of Cara or stolon of Cladophora glomerata are found. Fifth is the tuber formation on the rhizoids and on the lower node of Cara. Some tuber-like structures are formed due to the storage of food material. When they detach from the parent plant, this tuber produce an independent plant. Similar structure are also found in Cladophora. Sixth is by budding. In some algae, like Protosiphon, vegetative propagation takes place by budding. Bud-like structures are formed due to the proliferation of vesicles. These eventually separate from the parent plant by the formation of septum and have the capacity to form new plants. Thank you.